Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find guys where the fuse for the purge control valve is located. Let's say you have problems with the purge control valve, you replace the valve, you still have codes, problems guys, we'll explain where that fuse is located. Always check it as well. That should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. The purge control valve, okay, on this specific vehicle guys, okay, on this specific vehicle is, okay, let me see if we can actually, okay, remove right here. It actually brings guys, okay, it's a complicated design, it actually brings the fuel vapors, okay, the fuel vapors and injects them in the intake manifold. So that purge control valve is very important for the normal operation of the engine, simply due to the fact, okay, it's all the way right here, okay, right there. Because without it guys you can have problems like getting extra air, considering like a vacuum leak, the engine will detect it. So you may have misfires, rough running engine, rough start, things like that. This is the fuse box, one tap here, one there, squish, pull it straight up, perfect. Now, which fuse we need to check guys? You can see that layout of the fuse box, everything corresponds to what we have specifically right here. And the fuse that we need to check is known as, okay, sensor 2 guys, okay, sensor 2 right here. It's a 15 amp fuse, the fifth one from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that middle fuse. Now, stay with us, very important information will be shared about the fuse. Now, some people will just pull it out, okay, and they will look at it, see if it's a good fuse and put it back in. That's wrong guys. Sometimes a fuse may look like it's okay, looking through the glass, that the element is still intact. It's not, it's looking like a nice fuse, but actually you may have problems with it guys. So what we recommend, always test it. It takes only a few seconds, and if you don't know how to do it, we made a video and we will share the link in the description of the video below. Also, if you don't want to test it, just replace it with another fuse guys. If you want to see where we get replacement fuses for a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. Also, we have some spare fuses that you can use here as well. And when you're ready, just go ahead and push it back in. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.